Mama, I won't go market to buy food stuff before sun hot.
Okay, my daughter, but not stay long, go.
Oga, you know they look road. Sorry, but see as you find, you feel make person forget road.
Girls, if you see the guy where they sell fish for market today, the guy too fine.
And that you know they crush you.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Big Jonah. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your own Nollywood movie. Yes, I know what you are thinking. You may be thinking about the camera, who will hold the camera for you, the money to start it. You don't need to worry about that because we are going to be creating our video using AI. Everything is 100% AI, so you don't need to worry. And also, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to generate a well-structured prompt in order to get a consistent character, because that is very, very important. One of the things about AI is that if you want to get a consistent character, if you want to get a good movie, you have to generate a well-structured prompt. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to generate a well-structured prompt in order to get a long video and a consistent character. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any important part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, to do this, head over to your Chrome, search for Veo 3. Okay, scroll up. Yes, as you can see, this particular site, Google DeepMind. Okay, go ahead and click it, and then go ahead and click try inflow. Okay, so if you are new to this site, they are going to ask you to subscribe to their Google AI Pro plan. But for me, I've already subscribed, so I'll just have to go ahead straight up and create my video. But as a new beginner, if you want to learn on how to go about the subscription, check my channel. I've created a whole lot of video on how to subscribe. Okay, so just watch the video. So after you have subscribed successfully, come over here, as you can see, and click this create with flow. Okay, here we are on the site, as you can see. Okay, here are some projects that I've worked on. Okay, so just go ahead and click new project for it to start generating video. Okay, this is how the generating interface looks like. So now let me walk you around very quickly. Okay, if you look very well, you see text to video. Click it. If you click this text to video, you are going to see text to video, frames to video, and ingredient to video. Now let me explain this to you. Text to video, this is when you want to just write a text and then generate your video. That is text to video. Just write your prompt and then you generate your video. And then frames to video, this is your photo to video. Yes, when you want to turn your photo into video, that is when you use these frames to video. And then ingredient to video, yes, this ingredient to video is the combination of the two. But one downside about this is that this is not available on a free plan unless you pay for the pro version. Do you understand? Currently we are using the free version, so this is not available. Okay, and if you look very well, you are going to see Veo 3 fast. Do you understand? Behind that Veo 3 fast, if you look very well, you are going to see a hamburger icon. Okay, go ahead and click it. Okay, if you click that hamburger icon, you are going to see output per prompt. Click that output per prompt. If you click it, you are going to see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me explain this to you. Now what this means is that how many video do you want the AI to generate for you per prompt? Do you understand? Now if I input one prompt, how many video do I want the AI to generate? Do you understand? I always advise you to put it on 1. Why? Because if you put it on 4, if you input one prompt, the AI is going to generate 4 video for you, and with that your AI credit is going to finish very fast. Do you understand? Because each video costs you 20 AI credit, so I always advise you use 1. And also if you look very well, you are going to see mode. Okay, you are going to see mode Veo 3 fast. Click that Veo 3 fast. If you click that Veo 3 fast, you see Veo 3 fast, Veo 2 fast, Veo 3 quality, and Veo 2 quality. Now let me explain the difference between Veo 3 fast and Veo 2 fast for you. Veo 2 fast doesn't come with audio, but Veo 3 fast come with audio. Now if you generate video using Veo 2 fast, the video is not going to talk. Yes, your character will not talk. The video is not going to come with audio. But if you use Veo 3 fast, your character is going to talk. Yes, so that is just the difference between the two. Okay, so always use Veo 3 fast, because if you use Veo 2 fast, you have to go ahead and do a voiceover. Okay, now and if you look very well, you are going to see pro. Click that pro. If you click the pro, you are going to see AI credit. Look at it. You are going to see 380 AI credit. Yes, I still have 380 AI credit. Okay, so for you to generate your video, just go ahead and paste your prompt. Yes, after we generate the video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate your own prompt. Yes, how to structure your prompt in order to get a consistent character, in order to generate a perfect video. Yes, a lot of people here come here, they collect the prompt, but when they want to generate their own video, another video, they find it difficult to generate. Why? Because they don't know how to structure their prompt. You don't need to worry. I'm going to be teaching you how to generate a well-structured prompt to get a consistent character and also to get a perfect video. Okay, so make sure you pay very close attention so you don't miss any important part of this video. So to generate your video, I have a prompt here. Go ahead and paste your prompt, then go ahead and hit generate. Now let's watch and see the magic from Veo 3 first. Okay, our video has been generated. Now let's play the video and see.
Mama, I won't go market to buy food stuff before sun hot.
Okay, my daughter, but not stay long go.
Mama, I won't go market to buy food stuff before sun hot.
Okay, my daughter, but not stay long go.
Wow, this is cool, this is nice. So this is the first scene. Do you understand? This is the first scene. Okay, this is cool, this is nice. Okay, now let's create the second scene. Okay, let's create the second scene and then I'll show you how to write the prompt, how to structure the prompt. Do you understand? Like I promised, I'm going to teach you how to structure your prompt in order to create this video. So just calm down, let's generate the second scene. And I'm going to be dropping a link where you can also download this my own prompt from our Telegram channel. So go to the description of this video and locate our Telegram link and then go there and download this prompt. Okay, now let's paste our prompt. Okay, our video is being generated. Now let's watch and see the magic from Google Veo 3. Okay guys, our video has been created. Okay, now let's play the video and see. Okay, let's play it and see.
Thanks for the extra fish you add.
Now because you're too fine.
Okay guys, so this is the second scene. Understand, this is the second scene for our video. Although this second scene I don't actually like it that much. Okay, so I'm going to be editing it later. Do you understand? I have to edit something. Let me show you how to edit it. To edit it, just come here, click here, and then look at the prompt. Go ahead and play around with the prompt. So that is how to edit it. Okay, anything that you don't want you remove, and anything that you want you add it. It's not as perfect as I want. It's not professional, so I'll be working on it. Okay guys, for you to write your own prompt, for you to structure your prompt, this is how I come about the prompt. Okay, this is how to write your own prompt. Okay, here we are. If you look very well, here's my own prompt. Inside a modest Nigeria sitting room, modern song featuring. Do you understand? Now what I did was that everything that I know concerning Nollywood, I just describe everything that I want to create. Now I want to create a video in Nigeria, kind of a Nigerian Nollywood movie. Do you understand? I just described the way I understand it. Okay, I describe. If you look very, everything was just very long. You know, if you put this thing inside Google Veo 3, you are not going to get the result that you want. That one is for sure. Okay, if you look very well, okay, my daughter, but don't stay long. And do you understand? The thing is just like that. I just describe it. This is what I want. I don't know how I'm going to structure it to give me the result that I want. So what I did was to just describe everything. I write out the story. So for you to create a movie, you must be someone that know how to write a story, someone that know how to write a script. So I just describe my own script. I just write it the way I understand it, but the script is not well optimized. So what I'll do now is that this is my own understanding. This is the way I just write it. And you know, Google Veo 3 cannot generate everything at once. So I have to just copy this one, head over to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will help me to divide this my own description. ChatGPT will split it into scene by scene, scene by scene. Do you understand? Now and also ChatGPT will not just divide it into scene by scene. It will optimize it for you very well in order for you to get a better result. Now let me just copy this my own understanding. If I say let me be writing it from here one by one, it will take time. So that is why I just write it down. So head over to ChatGPT. Okay, paste your prompt and then tell ChatGPT. Now listen very well. Now see, I'll tell ChatGPT I want to create a Nollywood. I want to create a Nollywood. Oh, sorry. I want to create a Nollywood movie. Okay, I want to create a Nollywood Nigerian movie. Here is my own understanding of the video of the movie prompt. Help me optimize this prompt to get a better result. And note that I'm generating this video from Google Veo 3, which can only generate 8-second video long. So split my prompt into 5 scene. Okay, you see, I said I want to create a Nollywood Nigerian movie. Here's my own understanding of the movie prompt. Help me optimize this prompt to get a better result. And know that I'm generating this video from Google Veo 3, which can only generate 8-second video long. So split my prompt into 5 scenes. Do you understand? Now I let ChatGPT understand that I'm using Google Veo 3, and Google Veo 3 can only generate 8-second video long. So with this, ChatGPT will know how to split this my own prompt very well into 5 scenes. And because I also indicated, make it 5 scenes, you can say make it 10. Do you understand? For you to get a better result, it depends on how long your prompt is. Okay, so now ChatGPT is going to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this my prompt for me, and also split my prompt into 5 scenes for me to get a better result. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit generate. Okay, as you can see, look at it. Okay, now look at that. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. Now ChatGPT have optimized and split our prompt for us. Do you understand? So now all you need to do now is to just go ahead, copy this scene 1, head over to Google Veo 3, generate it, come here, copy scene 2, head over to Google Veo 3, generate scene 2. Do you understand? Like that. That is how you are going to do it. Except you pay for the pro plan. That's when you can generate a longer video. But for now, when you are using the free plan, you have to generate again. You need to generate your scene 8 seconds, and then you just have to go ahead and merge everything together. Do you understand? My video was actually 5 scenes, but I only do that 3 so that for you to just understand, for the purpose of learning. So with this, you know how to generate your own prompt. You know how to structure your own prompt now. So this is how I generate my prompt. This is how I structure my own prompt. I hope you have subscribed. Now, please make sure we have come a long way. Please make sure that you have subscribed, you have liked the video. Please like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tell me something nice at the comment section. I beg you, okay? Okay, guys. So for you to generate this third scene, just go ahead, paste your prompt. Let's generate the third scene, okay? Paste your prompt and hit generate. Now let's watch and see the magic from Google Veo 3. Okay, look at our third scene. Okay, now let's play it and see. So this is the third scene. Our video has been generated. Let's play it and see.
Girls, if you see the guy where they sell fish for market today, the guy too fine. Ada, you know they crush oh. Girls, if you see the guy where they sell fish for market today, the guy too fine. Ada, you know they crush oh.
Oh wow, this is cool. This is nice. Okay, this is cool. This is nice. So this is the third scene. Okay, this is the third scene. Okay, so for you to download your video, you just have to go ahead, look at this drop down arrow, go ahead and click it. So this is basically how to start your own Nollywood movie using AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to like this account, follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. I'm Big Jonah as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.